Hi, beautiful people. Thanks for coming out and spending time with me. Do you know that feeling when life just feels loud? The endless scrolling, the constant striving, the pressure to keep up, it's exhausting. But somewhere deep inside, there's that quiet whisper that says, this isn't how it's meant to be. What if the stress you feel isn't just coming from the outside world, but from an energy that's been driving you your whole life? Taoism calls it yang energy, the force of doing, fixing, pushing forward, and it's powerful. But when it's out of balance, it can take over, and we start living in this constant output mode, producing, proving, performing, and we lose touch with our yin self, that internal stillness, the intuition, and the softness that restores us. Hi, I'm Kim, and I practice classical East Asian medicine and Taoism. In this episode, we're exploring those hidden yang patterns that shape the way you see yourself and how they feed the thoughts that whisper, I'm not enough. I have to keep going. And most importantly, how to release them. Because when you rebalance your energy, you don't just slow down, you come home to yourself. So take a breath. This is your space to reset, reconnect, and rewrite the story of strength on your terms. When we get caught in those old scripts, we start pulling from the energy around us, competing, judging, proving, just to survive. And our relationships mirror it right back. How we treat ourselves, how we measure worth, how we chase belonging. That constant do more, be more, get more kind of energy. Taoist medicine calls it yang. It's action-oriented, it's outward-focused, and it's always in motion. And while yang energy has its place, when it runs unchecked, it feels like we're living in a pack of wolves, always alert, and we're never safe to be ourselves. But what if those stories were just stories? What if the pressure you feel isn't actually yours, but a collective rhythm you've unconsciously absorbed? Here's your invitation. Through mindfulness, self-inquiry, and Taoist practice, you can begin to notice where yang energy has taken over in your life. So ask yourself, does this energy align with who I am? Or is it fear and insecurity that society's conditioned into me? This isn't about rejecting yang, it's about remembering yin. The balance where both energies, doing and being, move together like a breath and a heartbeat. Let's take a few moments together. So set your space, find a quiet spot, maybe light a candle, not to make things perfect, but as a reminder that your light doesn't have to burn to be seen. So you have your space. Sit comfortably and let your spine be tall but relaxed. And if you want, close your eyes and take a slow breath in. And let it out. Just observe and breathe. Notice your breath. That's your body's quiet conversation with itself. Where do you feel tension? Where can you let it go, even just a little? Inhale and feel your body expand with calm and steady energy. Exhale and let the breath release any tightness or worry. Let's do that one more time. Inhale and feel your body expand with calm and steady energy. Exhale and release any tightness or worry. Reconnecting to your flow can be that simple, one breath at a time. Now, gently ask yourself, where am I pushing instead of allowing? Where am I gripping instead of trusting? And you might notice thoughts like, if I slow down, I'm going to fall behind. If I don't handle it all, it's going to fall apart. Or if I'm not achieving, I'm not enough. Notice which one of those hits you right in the chest. That's the one asking to soften. You don't need to fight these beliefs. That's just being more yang. Just simply see them, feel their weight, then imagine letting them drift away, like leaves floating down a quiet river. You're not losing them, you're just loosening your grip. In Taoism, there's this principle called Wu Wei. It's the art of moving with life instead of against it. So imagine yourself in a river. The water's warm and steady beneath you. You're floating, supported, not pushing and not controlling. As you breathe, ask yourself, what would happen if I stopped fighting the current? If I trusted the water to carry me? Picture yourself opening your hands and letting those worries or expectations drift downstream, still part of your story, but no longer something you need to hold. Whisper to yourself, I trust the flow of life. I don't have to control every moment. I am carried, and the current knows the way. Now that you've released, let's fill that space with something softer. Yin energy isn't passive. It's strength through presence. It's the breath that fills you without trying. Take slow, full breaths and feel your abdomen expand and release, visually drawing in calm silver light with each inhale and letting go of the tension with each exhale. Let your mind rest in that stillness. You don't need to fix your thoughts. Just allow them to soften. In your everyday life, bring this same energy into small moments. When you eat, walk, talk, do it with presence instead of pressure. Before you move on, take a moment. What shifted? How does that feel in your body when you stop pushing? What does ease feel like right now? Remember, yang isn't your enemy. It's your power, your spark, your movement. But like any flame, it burns best when tended with care. Balance doesn't mean doing less. It means syncing your rhythm with what's real And when you live that way, you don't have to force your path, you flow with it. So welcome home to yourself. If you're one of those amazing wellness seekers who's ready to get unstuck but not sure where to begin, your first 15 minutes are a gift from me to you, where you can explore how this medicine can support you on your journey. There's a link in the video or in the video description below. Thanks for spending time, and until next time, I will catch you on the other side.